In this video, I will show you how to create a card in Trello. To do this, first just open up Trello and go to the board that you want to add a card in. Then here you have different columns, so I have to do, doing, and done. Now, for example, if I want to add a card or a task in a to-do, then what you want to do is just click add a card in that section, but you can choose any of them. So I'll go with add a card in to-do right here. Then just enter a title for the card, so task. So just the task, and then you can click anywhere, and then if you click on the card, you can now add a description with more details. You can also add a checklist, label, you can add members, you can add a date to it, you can add an attachment and more. So that's how you can create a card in Trello. So now everyone will be able to see it right there. And to assign it to someone, just click members here and click plus and choose the member, and you can also remove yourself. So that's how to create a card in Trello. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.